Want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, pullback today, small pullback. Bitcoin weekly chart, again, the bulls are not above the 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. This is the bear market bottom. For any type of bullish upside ideas, you need to break 28,000. It's that simple. We zoom into the 4-hour chart. We talked about this rising channel yesterday, broke to the downside as expected. You didn't get the breakout. I mean, if you want to see a move up here to 30,000, you just got to break this trend line, and the bulls haven't been able to do so. Will you see another push towards 25,000? The main thing is the bulls must hold 25,000. If not, you could see a move down to 20,000. The leverage trading group, I'm very proud of. Tons of shout outs to give. This is from today. Actually, yesterday, here's 323 TRB long, and then today, 331% short from TRB. You can trade the market both ways. You 3x your money both ways right here. No brainer, right? 205%, 137%, 136, 136, 125, 117, 95. If you are not making money in this market right now, leverage trading gives you the ability to make money in all market conditions. Right now, if you go to cryptorev.net, you could sign up for the leverage trading group. It's $100 off using leverage 100, $200 off 13 months using leverage 200 coupon code. Again, more from today, 83%, 81%, 78%, 71%, 64%. All you need are small moves out of these coins and you're hitting crazy multiples. It's follow the leader. You have somebody constantly updating what they're doing with their trades, live screen shares, where it's literally someone talking you through, here's what I'm thinking, here's what I'm looking for, here's what I'm going to do. The easiest way to make money in this market is to follow the leader. On December the 15th, 2021, Nancy Pelosi was asked if Congress should be banned from trading stocks. She said, no, this is a free market. After 36 years in Congress with an annual salary of $223,000, she increased her net worth to an estimated $120 million. Are there any pocket padding shenanigans going on in the political sphere? I think so. 120 million. Pelosi's killing it. 95% of the NFT market is now worthless. A new report shows. Have you guys bought any NFTs? Did you buy any NFTs? Did you hold any NFTs? One thing about this market is when the hype is crazy, when the new money's in the market and these NFTs are selling for ridiculous amounts, do not ride them lower. Like, it's so much easier to just ride the hype cycle, sell the hype, take your profits and lock it in. Like, be happy with, you got to pay yourself. If you don't pay yourself, nobody else will. Right? What are real world assets? So one idea of a narrative we could see going forward in the next bull market are RWA, real world assets. So you've got tangible assets that exist in a physical world that are brought on chain. They also include the growing issuance of capital markets products on chain where digital securities are tokenized and offered to retail customers. So again, this possible narrative, we're always thinking ahead. What's going to be the narrative that we haven't seen in crypto that could potentially play out? It's always changing, right? Remember in 2017 bull market, we had ICOs and all the craze. And then, as time advanced and this technology changed and the world changed, and we've seen DeFi take off, metaverse, AI has been popular recently. But what is the next narrative? Leave me a comment in the comment box below. What's the next narrative you're looking for in crypto? So decentralized science. This is an idea from our Moonbag group. This is from Binance Research, the largest exchange by far in the crypto market. They have put together this subcategory. Protocols focused on the collection of data for decentralized science. Fleming Protocol, Genomes, DAO, Repu Health, Data Lake, Health X Change. And so again, starting to see signs of potential narratives you could see in this space, which are huge. What total two? So Bitcoin, small pullback, traditional markets pulled back as well. And again, we got this shoulder, head, shoulder possible. Just do not want to see these altcoins lose $500 billion, otherwise 25% drop. Mt. Gox, do we have to worry about Mt. Gox still? The now defunct Mt. Gox exchange, they're extending its deadline to repay $3.7 billion worth of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to its creditors, which, again, $3.7 billion in the grand scheme of things it's a pretty small amount, right? The new announcements by Mt. Gox Rehabilitation Trustee says that the crypto exchange will not be able to make certain repayments by their original deadline of October the 31st of 2023, which was going to be next month. This has been extended by a year, so that's October 2024. However, there's certain rehabilitation creditors who have provided the rehabilitation trustee with the necessary information, and some repayments will be made as early as the end of this year. So again, remember, Mt. Gox, huge exchange hack, happened in 2011 and still haven't paid out for their losses. This is a huge problem in crypto. When you look at this chart and somebody is asking for price predictions, I don't want you guys to get caught up in this stuff, because I'm telling you, the people in the 2017 bull market rally, everyone's calling for 100,000, right? Bitcoin ran up to 20,000 and rolled over, and then dumped down to $3,100, right? 2021, you got up to 65,000 and 69,000, and people are calling for 100,000. And what happened? Bitcoin dumped down to 15,000. Now, this person, hey, what's your price prediction? And they've got Bitcoin running up to $250,000, $300,000. There are obvious ideas that could take place with a little nudge out of the SEC as far as approval from the Bitcoin spot ETFs, where you'd see a tremendous run up in Bitcoin. But you don't want to get your sights locked on to a specific price, because you will end up holding these cryptos, the market downturns, and you're left holding the bag, and your bag just gets smaller and smaller, and you have the thought, okay, well, I can't sell now because I'm in a loss. Smaller and smaller, and your bags just keep shrinking and shrinking, and you forget to pay yourself, right? So the most important thing in this market, that obviously we are bullish on this channel on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, altcoins, crazy run up coming. Altcoin seasons in the future will be historically epic. Bitcoin parabolic price rise is coming because of the halving coming in April of 2024. However, as soon as you get caught up in trying to pick these prices, because, I mean, you tell me how many people were right on Twitter. Tell me how many people were right on YouTube. It's just not what this market is built for. And if you have these biases, it'll hurt you more than it will help you. Understand that when we break 70,000, this previous all-time high, just like the break of 20,000, you had an exponential run-up. I look for something similar to that, where you break the $70,000 level and you see much higher prices out of Bitcoin. But I'm not going to try to give you a number up here in 2025 of where we're going. But you throw in the right Bitcoin spot ETFs and the right catalysts, there's definitely a lot more people familiar with Bitcoin. There's definitely a lot more ways to enter the market. FOMO, rally, mania ensues. You've got so many, the infrastructure has been built out tremendously, even though, hey, you know what, right now it's kind of boring, but we know the writing's on the wall. We're going to see an explosive rally. Bitcoin's designed to go parabolic. The amount of Bitcoin is going to be cut in half from 900 Bitcoin per day to 450 Bitcoin per day. What happens when they cut the supply of anything in half? If demand stays the same or increases, the price increases. Bitcoin is designed for parabolic price rises. Amazing 2 years we have ahead of us. 2024, 2025 are going to be face melting price action, but I don't want you to get stuck holding the bag on this next crypto market rally. Be prepared. We've learned the hard way. Some of us, I think probably most people, 95% of people in crypto, moved into the top and held the downtrend initially. If you've experienced the max pain of holding these downtrends, you are a lot less likely to repeat the same mistake. So definitely taking profits, paying yourself is the key to success in this market. Holding these coins, I mean, when Bitcoin previously in 2017, you saw Bitcoin hit $3,100, $3,150. And then here, $3,850, right? During the panic situation. Well, I mean, you saw Bitcoin visit the same after $20,000. You have 84% drops in Bitcoin on average. And if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.